Are you staring down the dreaded Adobe Photoshop feature level 11.0 error, halting your creative flow? Let's get you back on track. This error usually stems from compatibility issues or outdated software, and we'll tackle it step by step. Firstly, check your operating system. Ensure your Windows or Mac OS version meets the minimum requirements for your Photoshop version. You can find these requirements on the Adobe website. Next, let's focus on software updates. Photoshop and your operating system have updates for you to complete. Make sure Photoshop is updated via the Creative Cloud app. Update Photoshop to the latest version, then consider updating your operating system to the latest version too, as this often includes improvements and bug fixes. Still seeing the error? It's time to look at your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause all sorts of problems. Update your graphics card drivers from your graphics card manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD. If the issue persists, it might be time to reinstall Photoshop. Open the Creative Cloud app, uninstall Photoshop, then restart your computer afterwards. Download and reinstall Photoshop from the same app. By following these steps, you should be able to get editing again, so you can continue creating your art. Good luck, editing bliss awaits you.